Now sixth question. Question is 12, 48, 72. We have to find the HCF with the help of prime factorization method. Write 12 separately, 48 separately, 72 separately and divide with the prime numbers. 12 ones are 12s we can divide, but 12 is not a prime number. So try with 2. 2 6 are 12 and 6 will multiply 2 ones are table, 3 ones are 2 ones are, 2 3s are 6 and 3 will multiply 3 ones are 3 and 48. 12 also we can try, but we want only prime number. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. And again it multiply with 12 ones are tables, but we want only prime number. So 2 is outside. Outside number should be prime number. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then 12 will multiply with 3 4s are 12 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 ones are 2. 72 it multiplied 2 ones are, because last number is even number, so we can divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, so 2 6 are 12 and 3 will multiply 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12, 3 ones are 3. We want only prime number outside. Prime factorization of 12, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Then prime factorization of 48. 48 is 2, 2, 3 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Prime factor of 72. 2 into 3 into 4 into 3. 2 into 3 into 4 into 3. Here, sorry children, here divide with 4. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number. So we have to try with 2 only. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So factor of 72 are 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. We want only prime number outside. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. What I did here, 4. I divide with 4. 4 3 is 12, because 4 is not a prime number. We want outside only prime number. Okay. Now, common factor are 2. Then any common 2 common here. 2 is common in 3's place. And 3 in common in 2 place. 3 place. So common factors are 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore HCF is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is a HCF. Now seventh question. 42, 63, 84. We have to find LCF by prime factorization method. So written here its side 42. Now divide it. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. And 3 also we can try. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Now divide it. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then here we can divide with 3 again or 7. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. 84 it multiply with 2 ones are, last number is even number, so it will divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and last number is even number, so it will multiply with 2 ones are tables. 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2. 21 will multiply 3 ones are table, 3 7s are 21 and 7 ones are 7. Now factors of 42, prime factor of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Then prime factor of 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 7. Then prime factor of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to write the common factor. Which are the common factor here? Common factor is 2 is not here, so we can't take 2 is a common factor. 3 is a common. 3 3 3 and 7 is a common. 7 is a common. 3 and 7 are common factor. So 3 into 7, that we have to multiply, because we divided here only with the prime number. That's why we are multiplying 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Factor HCF was 21. HCF of HCF is 21. Now next eighth question. 24, 72, 90. We have to find the HCF with the prime factorization method. So 24, last number 4, so it will multiply with 2 ones are table or divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again we can try with 2, 2 6 are 12. Here we can try with 3 or 2, 3 twos are 6 and 2 ones are 2. Then divide 72, last number is 2, so we can try with even numbers, all even numbers are multiplied with 2. So 2 3s are 6, nearer is 2 7 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 and 3 we can try, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again we can try with 3, 3 4s are 12 and 4 will multiply with 2 ones are tables, 2 2s are 4 and 2 will multiply in 2 ones are tables, 2 ones are 2. 90 we can try with 10, but here we outside we want only prime number, so try with 2 or 3. 3 is a prime number, 3 3s are 9, 0. Again we can try with 3, 3 10s are 30, 10 will multiply with 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10 and 5 will multiply with 5 ones are 5. Now prime factor of 21. Prime factor of 21. Prime factor of 21 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Prime factor of 72 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Prime factor of 90 is 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. 5. Now I written the all factors of each number, prime factors. Now write the common factors, which is common factor in 3 lines. 2 is common in 2 is common, 2 here also common, 2 is common here, and any 2 only 1 2 here, okay, 2 over, and 3 is common here, 3 is common here, 3 is common here. Again 2 and 3 are common, so common factor is 2 into 3, therefore HCF is 2 3s are 6, 6 is a HCF. C main, find HCF by prime factorization method. So here prime factorization method is the most used method to find HCF, children. Prime factorization and combined number also we can find the HCF by combine factorizing with the division method we can try. That is also most common method, and this method HCF by prime factorization method, B and C main. Now C main also same but with the 3-digit numbers. Now C main, find HCF by prime factorization method. Question is 225 and 315. Now we have to find the factorize with the division method, but outside number should be prime numbers. 225 will multiply with tables. Check the last digit. Last digit is a 5. 5 means it multiply with 5 ones are tables. So divide with 5. 22. 5 how much are nearer to 22? 5 4s are 20. That is a nearer one. 2 is a remainder. Now together is 25. 5 5s are 25. Again it multiply with 9 5s are 45, but we want outside only prime number. 9 is not a prime number. So we will divide with again 5 ones. 5 9s are 45. 9 will multiply with 3 ones are table, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 will multiply with 3 ones are tables, 3 ones are 3. 315, last digit is 5, last number is 5 means it will multiply with 5 ones are tables, so divide with 5. 31, nearer to 31 is 5 6 are 30, that is a nearer to 31, remainder is 1, together is now 15. 5 3s are 15. Now 63, 63 means it multiply with 3 ones are 3 2s are 6, 3 ones are 3. Again 21 will multiply with 3 ones are table, 3 7s are 21, and 7 will multiply with 7 ones are 7 ones are 7. Now prime factor of 225. What is the prime factor? 2 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Prime factor of 315, 5 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now any common factors? Any common factors here? Yes, 5 is a common factor, then 3 is a common factor, and this 3 also common. 5, This 3 is a common and here 3 are common. Common factors, so multiply the common factor 5 into 3 into 3. 5 into 3 into 3. 3 numbers. Okay. Now HCF of 5 3 is, by HCF we have to multiply. 5 3 is a 15, 15 3 is a 45. HCF is 45. Now next question, second question, 490 by comma 540. Now we have to find the factorization of 490. 490 means last number is 0. So last number 0 or even numbers mean we divide with 2 ones are tables. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, that is a nearer one. 1 carry means 2 5s are 10. Last number is 5 means it will multiply with 5 ones are tables 5. 5 24, 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45. For 7 7s are 49, 7 is a prime number and 7 ones are 7. 5 here, last number 0 means it will multiply with 10 or 5 or 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 0. Again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Last digit of 5 means it will multiply with 5 ones are tables. So 5 is outside and 5 is a prime number. 5 2s are 10, 3 carry, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. 27 means 3, 3 9s are 27. 9 will multiply 3 ones are tables, 3 3s are 9. Now prime factor of 490. Prime factor of 490 means, what are the prime factor of 490? 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Prime factor of 540 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now factorization, which is a common one. 2 is a common. 2 is common factor. Then 5 is common. 3 is not common. 2, yes, 5 is common number. 2 and 5. Common factor 2 and 5 is common. 2 and 5 is common. Therefore, HCF is 2 5s are 10. Next C1, third C main, third question, 612 and 522. We have to find the prime factorization. Last number 2, so it multiplies 2 ones are tables. 2, look at here, since 61, 61 is nearer to 30. So we have to consider 2 30s are 60. When you are dividing, you get only single number. So 2 30s are 60 and then 2 ones are 2. 300 and 2 ones are 2. 2 30s are 60, so one reminder, 2 6 are 12. 2 30s are 60, one reminder, 2 6 are 12. 61 means it is a nearer to 60. So nearer 2 digit we have to take. Then 6 last number we can multiply with, divide 2 ones are only, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 means then 6 will multiply, 2 3s are 6. Last number is 3, 3 will multiply with 3 ones are tables. 3 5s are 15 and 3 ones are 3. And 51, any tables? Last number is 1. So in which tables last number 1 we get 1's place? 9 9s are 81, but 9 is not a prime number. Then we have to try divide and check without decimal point division. Then 3 sevens are 21. So 3 ones are 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 ones are 3. 2 remainder 21. 3 sevens are 21. 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 is a prime number. Then 522. Last number 2. So we can try with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2. Last number is 1. So we can try with 3 because 3 sevens are 21. In ones place last we get 21 in 3 ones are tables. So try with 3 ones are tables. 3 8s are 24. 24 means 2 remainder. So 21 means 3 sevens are 21. Again we can try with 3 and check because last number is 7. 7 means 3 9s are 27. In ones place 7 we get in 3 ones are tables. 3 2s are 6 nearer. 6 means 2 remainder, so together is 27. 3 nines are 27. Then 29 ones are 29 is a prime number. Prime factors are 612. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. Prime factor of 523. 2 into 3 into 3 into 29. 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 times 3 and 29. Now common factors. Which common factors are there? Common factors. 2 is a common. 2 is a common and 3 is a common and again 3 is a common. So 2 into 3 into 3. Common factor is 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore HCF is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is a HCF. Now fourth question, 49, 70, 77. Find the factorization with the division method. 49 which table? 7 sevens are 49. Again 7 ones are 7. 70 will multiply, again 7 ones are 7 tens are 70. We can't take 10 here because we want only prime number, so divide with 2. 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5. And 77 will multiply with 11 out 7. 7 11s are 77 and 11 ones are 11. 11 is a prime number. Now prime factorization of 49. 7 into 7 and 70 is 7 into 2 into 5. Prime factor of 70 is 7 into 5. Then 77 is 7 into 11. Now common factor, which is a common factor, 7. Then only 7 is a common factor. Yes, common factor only 7. Therefore HCF is 7. Now fifth question, find the prime factorization of 108, 144, 168. Now find the prime factorization. 8 even numbers means it multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again even numbers means multiply with 2 ones are tables, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. We can't write 9 3s are because 9 3s are prime number and 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. 144 last number is even, it multiplies 2 ones are tables, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Last number even numbers means it multiply with 2 ones are tables, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. And here we can try 3 ones are tables, 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. Again we can try with 12, 3 ones are tables, 3 4s are 12 and 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2. And 60 here, last number 0 even numbers means multiply with 2 ones are tables, 2 3s are 6, 30. Again we can try 3 10s are 30 and 5 2s are 10, 2 ones are 2. Now factors are prime factor of 108, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Prime factor of 144 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Prime factor of 60 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. Now common factor we have to check. Any common factor. 2 is a common factor. Then 3 is a common factor. Again 3. No. Again 2 yes. 2 is a common factor. So common factor 2, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Common HCF is 12. Next is the sixth question, 106, 92, 96. Now we have to divide it. Last number is 6, so it will multiply with 2 ones are tables, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. And 53 is a prime number, 53 ones are 53. not with other tables. Last number is 2, so it will multiply 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 1 carry, 2 six are 12, then 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 23. 2 fours are 8, 1 carry, 2 six are 12, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 23 ones are 23. Sorry children, here question is 192, not 92, 192. So we have to try with 2 ones are tables. 2, how much last number is 2, so it will multiply, even numbers means multiply with 2 ones are tables. 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, that is a near one. 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 six are 12. Then last number 6 means it multiply 2 ones are tables. Nearer to 9 is 2 fours are 8, 1 carry means 2 eights are 16. Again 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again it multiply 3 fours are 12 and 4 will multiply 2 twos are 1, 2 ones are 2. And 96, last number is 6, so it multiply 2 ones are tables. Even numbers means 2 fours are 8, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16, and 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again 2 ones are tables, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 12 multiply 3 ones are tables, 3 fours are 12 and 2 twos are 1 and 2 ones are 2. Now prime factor of 106. 106 prime factor is 2 into 53, and prime factor of 192, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 times 4 and 3 and 2 times 2. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now common factor we have to check which is a common factor here. 2 is a common. Then any common factor 53. Only 2 means common means it should be in 3 lines. So only 2 is a common factor. Therefore HCF is 2. HCF is 2 only. Common factor. Factor of 106 is 2 into 53. Factor of 192 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Factor of 196 is prime factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. And common is 2. In all cases 2 is a common number. Common factor is 2. HCF is 2 only.